Alright, it's only us. We've come down here camping. Somebody had goofed our spot at Lendlefoot, so I just kept going here. And we're down Ballantrae way. Somebody's burnt an old mattress here, but we've come down here after this, a coastal path down by Ballantrae's over there, about half a mile or something. But it's too busy with the posh campers. And me and Mr. Dogs want to come down here and have a party. So we're camping here tonight, we're miles away from anywhere. I was actually want to get near it to Sonny Bean's cave, but you can't drive anywhere near it, so we're alright here tonight. We've got a big pile of firewood, the cars up there, the tent's up, the guitars there, the chairs there. We've got everything we need. Hey Mr. Dog, we had the happy times here, Daddy and Dog, just us. You go in the tent out that heat now. Too hot for animals. So we're just going to sit here and enjoy the summer, get a bit colour about us. So I'm going to drink that cup of tea I've got there, and I'll come back on later once it cools down a wee bit. Hey Mr. Dog, I'll see you after. Ta-ta.